Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to film this video for you guys today. Today we're going to organize underneath the bathroom sink. So what I'm going to do is show you how I have it organized now, and then we're going to take everything out. I'm going to go through the items I have and see what I need to get rid of, and then see what's going to fit where the best. And then I picked up a couple new items for organizing, so then we're going to put everything back together so then we can see the final look. So I picked up a few new items for organizing today. I stopped at Target. So if you want to see how I transform underneath my bathroom sink, then just keep on watching. I currently have all my hair stuff in this little basket here. It has like my hair brushes, my blow dryer, my straightener, my curling iron. And towards the back of the cabinet, I have command hooks. And I just took these little clear shower curtain hooks and I put all of my rubber bands on them. So I have my colors and like my blacks and my neutrals. And I just hang them directly on the hooks. And I do the same thing with my headbands. So I have like my harder headbands, and then these are like my soft and like workout headbands. So in these little plastic organizers here, I keep my bobby pins and like my little hair clips, and then all my hair products in the back here. And then in this one, I keep like my everyday stuff. So like my contact solution, morning serum, my night serum, deodorant. And then in the second one, I keep like more skincare items. I keep my sunless tanners, my like face sunscreen, and some like makeup removing cleanser. This section here is very tight and I've been having a difficult time keeping everything in there. And then here in the back section, I keep like all of my perfumes. I'm finding that this is super hard to get to since it's kind of hidden in the back of all the other items. So I'm definitely gonna redo this and come up with a better system that puts all of the items that I like to use on a daily basis, and I can kind of see what I'm looking for and get to everything very quickly. So over here in the back, I just have like my facial masks. I have 2 of them. I just put them there because I couldn't really fit them anywhere else. In the front bin here, I have feminine care products. And then in the back here, I have like my sunless tanning mitt. I have just like some other lotion. I have like nail polish removers, more lotions, baby oil, hair removal cream, and my little brush that I use to apply my sunless tanner with. So I would say out of everything underneath my space here, I find this little bin the most annoying. So I'm definitely looking forward to reorganizing and see how I can improve this space. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull all of the items out. So I'm gonna leave the bobby pins alone, and I'm just gonna go through these clips and see what I can get rid of. So I just kind of put them back a little bit more organized. And then I'm gonna go through my hair section and get rid of anything that I don't think that I'm really gonna use. So everything here I pretty much use, so I'm gonna keep this area like this for now. So next I'm gonna go through this section and kind of take everything out. So I definitely use everything that I just pulled out. Definitely use this, definitely use this, I use this. So this I haven't used in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. This I use, and this bio oil I haven't used in a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. And the last section here is perfumes. I'm just gonna quickly go through these ones. I definitely wear this pink sugar, I really like this. This is Flower Bomb, definitely wear that. Definitely use this and this. And then I just have my little travel sizes that I'm going to keep as well. Definitely keeping that. Definitely keeping my tanning mitt. Then I have some nail polish remover, keeping those. Keeping this. Keeping this exfoliating mitt. Keeping the Veet. The baby oil I don't really use, so I'm gonna put that aside. Keeping this, keeping this. And there's just a few other things in here that I'm keeping. So I'm just gonna clean this out. So now that we've kind of gone through everything, I am going to pull everything out and I'm gonna give this like a really nice clean. So I'm just gonna spray everything down with some cleaning spray. Okay, so now that that's cleaned out, I'm gonna start with the organizing. I actually decided to move where I keep my headbands. They were like over here. I took the command hooks and I put them up over here because this is where I plan on having like all of my hair stuff. So I picked up this little basket at Target. It's super cute. It's just like a fabric basket, and then I took this little tag and put hair stuff on it. I got these tags off of Amazon. I will link them down below in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that all the way in the back there, and I'm just gonna put my hair stuff in there. My curling iron, hair clips, some more hair clips. So next up, I picked this up at Target as well. I ended up spraying it with this Rust-Oleum metallic spray, and this is the shiny metallic silver finish. The original color that this came in, it was kind of like a pewter, almost like a darker, kind of like a silverish with almost like a green undertone. It just really didn't match the hardware in my bathroom, and I kind of wanted everything to look like really seamless and put together nicely. So I went ahead and sprayed the 3 items that I picked up from Target, and I painted my nails while I waited for these to dry. I'm gonna put that right next to the hair basket, just tucked in the back here between the piping. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put most of my hair products on here. So I had like my bobby pins and clips and things like that stored in this little container. I'm actually gonna use these underneath the other sink. I have a better use for them there. I had a couple of these little plastic storage containers just like laying around the house. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like my little clips in here, my little tiny rubber bands, and these fit perfectly in here, and it just takes up less space than those big plastic containers that I had. I'm gonna put these in the back here, and then I have another little one for my bobby pins, and I'm gonna put that right in front. I'm gonna put my bigger hair products on the top here and stick them in the back, and then just put these little ones directly in front. I'm also gonna tuck my nail polish remover right in the back here. I'm gonna keep this little container that I had before. I just kind of decluttered it and got rid of the items that I'm not really using. And I just kept everything like lotions, sunless tanning products, and things like that in here so that everything is the same and it's just really easy to get to. I'm just gonna put this basket right in the back here in the center. So last I have this that I also picked up from Target. It's perfect because it's a Lazy Susan. I'm just gonna put all the items on it that I use all the time, and then I can just kind of spin around and get to what I need. I also sprayed this with metallic silver, and here I can show you on the bottom the original color. It was just a darker finish, and it just didn't really go as well as I think the like brighter metallic goes. So I'm gonna have that one all the way in the back there. I think I'm gonna put like my perfumes up top here, and then like my face masks, my like anti-aging, my facial sunscreen, contacts, deodorant, that kind of thing. I'll put them right on the bottom here. Okay, so I think the bottom here looks pretty good like that. This just keeps it very nice, and I can easily get to these items that I use every day. On the top, I'm gonna put my perfumes down. And I'm gonna push that into the back corner and make sure that I can spin it. The last thing I wanted to keep under here that I had in my bathroom closet are my cotton balls and my Q-tips. These were actually like Bath & Body Works candles, so I decided to just repurpose them because they have really cute tops. If you don't know how to do that, what you do is you just put the candle in once it's done into your freezer, let it get completely frozen, take the candle out. I take like a spoon or like a knife and kind of jam it into the wax. And then once the wax is cracked, just kind of get in there and wedge the wax. It should pop right out. And then just make sure you wash them, like scrub them really good with soap and water. And then I just give it like a clean with like Windex or an alcohol just to get them shiny. So this is the final look for this cabinet. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The way it was organized before worked too. I think that this will work much better for me. It'll just be easier for me to get to things, and I'm not gonna have to pull things out and kind of reach behind things. especially with my hair stuff more like over here. Every time I was grabbing for like a taller item, like my hairspray or something like that, I was knocking everything over and it was super frustrating. So I liked how I kind of categorized everything together that I use and that are kind of like items, and I think that this will work much better for me. One thing that I wish I could fix up a little bit better is where all the plumbing is. I have seen some of like the DIYs where people like actually build shelves and they kind of go around it. I will also link all of these items in the description box down below that I used today for organizing. So this is my side. Now let's take a look at the other cabinet and see if we can make that one look a little bit better. So here's the next cabinet in the bathroom. Right now, this is where we kind of keep like toothpaste and stuff like that. And then my husband has some of his little items here. And then we also keep some cleaners and then like extra toilet paper and stuff like that right here. So I'm gonna work on sprucing up this area and see what I can do to make it look a little bit better. When I went to Target, I also picked up this storage basket. It is the same line as the other two items that are under my sink, and I also sprayed this too. I think that this would be perfect for putting all the cleaning supplies in. So that's what I'm gonna plan on doing here. And then I also grabbed another one of these baskets that I wanna put the toilet paper in. And I just took one of the tags that I got off Amazon and I labeled it. So I'm gonna put the toilet paper in here so that it looks a little bit more put together. And then I just put like feminine care products in this one. I'm gonna tuck this one in the back, and then I'm gonna put the toilet paper right in front of it. I'm gonna pull all this stuff out, and then I'm gonna put it into these and try to make it look a little bit more organized. I think I'm gonna keep these right in the middle here. I'm gonna put like the shaving stuff in the back. More shaving stuff. I'm gonna tuck that in the back there. I'm gonna put the mouthwash here and then like the toothpaste up here. So everything's kind of like in its own little compartment and it's easy to get to. I'm gonna put like the hair products right here, and then I'm gonna tuck the cologne samples in there. And then in this front one, I just put deodorant and cologne. So stuff that's used every day. I'm gonna take this out and probably use it somewhere else in my house. So I'm gonna put this in the back here. And I really like this thing because if you screw it into the bottom here, or you know, if you wanna use it somewhere else, it's nice because the basket just slides out. I'm gonna put all the cleaning stuff back in here. So I have my Rain-X that I like to use on my shower glass to keep the glass looking nice. Then I have my Lime Away that I also like to use on my glass that tackles like the lime and the calcium and all the soap scum buildup. And then I have my two favorites. I have my Kaboom OxyClean, and then I have my Clorox Bleach Foamer. I'm just gonna line those all up with the trigger sprayers facing the same way. And then in the back here, I'm gonna keep like my vinegar and my all-purpose cleaner. And then I'm gonna tuck my disinfectant wipes in here, and then my Lysol disinfectant spray. Okay, so this is how this turned out. Now I do realize that not everyone has this amount of cabinet space and that you may not have a bathroom closet. You may need to keep a lot more items under the sink, and you might need to keep like towels and things like that. They do make like shelving that you can put under your bathroom sink, so you could stack items and that you can keep a lot more. I've also seen some really cool shelving that you can put in your bathroom. I've seen people put like really cute shelving in and keep like their perfumes or their serums and things like that. There are a lot of other ways to find space if you don't have the cabinet space. So if you have any questions on anything that I did or how I would store certain items for the bathroom, please leave me a comment down below, or you can email me at organizationbeautynation@gmail.com. I'd be more than happy to try to help you and answer any questions you may have. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.